Sixth problem. If x plus 1 by x is equal to 3, find the value of x cube plus 1 by x cube. So solution given. X plus 1 by x is equal to 3 given. Cubing on both sides. Why we are cubing? Why we are not doing squaring? What it will define in the question, it is cube. So that is the hint for us. If square is there, squaring on both sides. Cube is there, cubing on both sides. No need to ask anybody. No need to have any doubt. No confusion also. X plus 1 by x whole cube is equal to 3 cube on both sides, not one side. Now left hand side is in the formula of a plus b whole cube is equal to a cube plus b cube plus 3ab into a plus b. You have to mention the formula compulsory. Without mentioning the formula, you can't do problems. So x cube plus 1 by x whole cube plus 3 into x into 1 by x ab into x plus 1 by x is equal to 27. How we got 27? 3 into 3 into 3. 3 3 is 9. 9 3 is 27. That is understood by this time. Now x cube plus 1 cube means 1. 1 into 1 into 1. 1 ones are 1. 1 ones are 1. How many times we multiply? Also 1 1. Again x cube is there. So x cube plus numerator x and denominator x cancels one time. So 1 3 is 3. So 3 this 1 3 is 3, and from where we got this 3? Given in the problem, x plus 1 by x is equal to 3. So in the place of this we are replacing 3. This is 3 ones are 3, and this is given in the problem 3. Don't get confused. Is equal to 27. X cube plus 1 by x cube plus 3 3s are 9. So plus 9 is equal to 27. X cube plus 1 by x cube is equal to plus 9 from left side going to right side. Changes, sign changes. Plus 9 becomes minus 9. So x cube plus 1 by x cube is equal to 27 minus 9 is 18. Eighth problem. If x minus 2 by x is equal to 6, find the value of x cube minus 8 by x cube. Solution given. X minus 2 by x is equal to 6. This is given. Cubing on both sides. I told you why we have to cube, why we have to do square. See the question. In the question itself, you will be having hint. So then you can do like a print that hint. So cubing on both sides. A minus b whole cube is equal to a cube minus b cube minus 3ab into a minus b. So x cube minus 2 by 3 x cube minus 3 into x into 2 by x into x minus 2 by x is equal to 6 cube. Now x cube as it is, this cube is for numerator and denominator. Thus we kept whole cube. 2 cube by x cube minus x goes in x one time, and what is remaining means minus 3 into 2, keep in one bracket, afterwards we can multiply. And in this place we are replacing 6. Given x minus 2 by x is equal to 6. We substituted that value. Is equal to 6 cube means 6 into 6 into 6. Now x cube minus 8. How 8 we got? 2 cube. 2 2 is 4, 4 2 is 8. 8 by x cube minus 3 2s are 6, again into 6. So 6 into 6 is equal to 6 6 are 36. 36 6 are 216. If you don't know, do multiplication here itself, not anywhere. That is part and parcel of the problem. So x cube minus 8 by x cube is equal to 6 6 are 36. So minus 36. Minus is there. So minus 36. Now x cube minus 8 by x cube is equal to minus 36 from left side going to right side. Minus becomes plus. So we are adding 216 plus 36. X cube minus 8 by x cube is equal to, if we add 252. who don't know, please add side itself. Ninth problem. If x plus 1 by x is equal to 4, find the value of first bit x cube plus 1 by x cube. Second bit x minus 1 by x. Third bit x cube minus 1 by x cube. First bit solution given x plus 1 by x is equal to 4. We are doing first bit now. So cube is there. So cubing on both sides. X plus 1 by x whole cube is equal to 4 cube. You have to write the formula. Here I did not write, but you have to write compulsory. Which formula? A plus b whole cube is equal to a cube plus b cube plus 3ab into a plus b. So x cube plus 1 by x whole cube plus 3 into x into 1 by x into 1 x plus 1 by x is equal to, what is the meaning of 4 cube? 4 into 4 into 4. Now x cube as it is 1 by x cube, because 1 cube means 1, here x cube. Here x and x cancel 1 times, 3, 1 is 3. In the place of x plus 1 by x, replace or substitute 4 is equal to 4 4s are 16, 16 4s are 64. Now x cube plus 1 by x cube plus 3 4s are 12 plus 12 is equal to 64. X cube plus 1 by x cube is equal to plus 12 goes from left side to right side, plus becomes minus, minus 12. So x cube plus 1 by x cube is equal to 64 minus 12 is 52, plus 52. Plus is more, opposite sign we are going to subtract. Coming to the second bit, first bit we got the answer, second bit now. They told to find x minus 1 by x. We know the formula, x plus 1 by x whole square minus of x minus 1 by x whole square is equal to 4. This is the formula. Now substitute x plus 1 by x means 4 given in the problem. So 4 square minus, we don't know this value, x minus 1 by x whole square as it is equal to 4. 4 square means 4 4s are 16. 16 minus of x minus 1 by x whole square is equal to 4. Now plus 16 going from left to right, minus 16. So what is remaining means minus x minus 1 by x whole square is remaining, is equal to 4 minus 16. So minus of x minus 1 by x whole square is equal to 4 minus 16 is minus 12, because here minus is more and plus is less, opposite signs we are going to subtract. 16 from you take 4, 12 will come, the big number sign comes minus. Both side minus is there, minus minus get cancelled. Now this time x minus 1 by x, square goes from left to right, square root. Find the factors. 2 goes 6 times, 2 goes 3 times. For 2 2's, 1 2 will come outside and root 3 we are going to, because only 1 3 is left, root 3. This is one form of finding factors. Next one is, another method is, we know the factors of 12. 4 3's are 12. 4 is having 2 3, 2 6 are also 12. But why I wrote 4 3's means 4 is having square root. Square root of 4 is 2. In this way you can do, or finding prime factor method also you can do. Anyway if you do, you will get answer. What is the square root of 12 means plus or minus 2 root 3. In ninth problem, third bit. Just now we got second bit answer, x minus 1 by x is equal to plus or minus 2 root 3. Third bit is cube is there, so cubing on both sides. X cube minus 1 cube, so cubing, that is the hint for us. X minus 1 by x whole cube is equal to plus or minus 2 root 3 whole cube. We know the formula, a minus b whole cube is equal to a cube minus b cube minus 3ab into a minus b. You have to write that formula compulsory. So x cube minus 1 by x whole cube minus 3 into x into 1 by x into x minus 1 by x is equal to, here you have to be very very careful, plus or minus, plus you take 3 times, plus into plus, plus, plus into how many times you multiply plus also plus, coming to minus, minus into minus plus, plus into minus, minus, so plus or minus, and 2 3 times you have to write 2 into 2 into 2, Root 3 also 3 times. Root 3 into root 3 into root 3. Be careful. Again and again I won't explain. See the expansion of plus or minus 2 root 3 whole cube. This much meaning is there. So be careful. Now x cube minus 1 cube means 1. Here x cube minus x goes in x one time. 3 ones are 3, 3 ones are 3. So 3 will come. Now I am substituting x minus 1 by xs plus or minus 2 root 3 is equal to plus or minus 2 twos 4, 4 twos 8. Root 3 into root 3, 3. Again one more root 3 is left here. So root 3 into root 3, 3. Root a into root a. Don't ask me a, sir. Root b into root b, b. Now x cube minus 1 by x cube. How we got plus or minus? I will explain here. Minus into plus is minus. Minus into minus plus. Did you follow once again? Minus into plus minus. Minus into minus plus. 2 3s are 6 and root 3 is irrational. Rational with rational you multiply. Bracket indicates multiplication. So plus or minus 6 root 3 is equal to, here also rational multiply with the rational. This is irrational. So plus or minus 8 3s are 24. 24 root 3. Now x cube minus 1 by x cube keep in left side only. Plus or minus 6 root 3 you take from left to right. Again it will be plus or minus 6 root 3. How you will be asking? Plus becomes minus. Minus becomes plus. So plus or minus goes from left side. Again it will be like plus or minus only. Both are like terms. 24 root 3 plus or minus 6 root 3. 24 chocolates. Again 6 more chocolates. 30 chocolates. In the same way, 24 root 3 plus or minus 6 root 3. Same, root 3 and root 3 means we can add. Here root 3 and there root 2 is there, or other than root 3 we can't add. So be careful. Now x cube minus 1 by x cube is equal to plus or minus 24 and 6 you are going to add like terms. So 30 root 3 plus or minus 30 root 3. 10th problem. If a square plus 1 by a square is equal to 23, find the values of first bit a plus 1 by a, second bit a cube plus 1 by a cube. Now first bit a square plus 1 by a square is equal to 23. Adding 2 on both sides. Adding means plus. What you are doing left side, same you are doing right side. Plus 2 plus 2. Why we are adding plus 2? Nearest square. Before I told you already. And automatic, the left hand side also formula. It is in the formula of a plus 1 by a whole square. A square plus 1 by a square plus 2. 2ab means a into 1 by a is there. A get cancelled to 1s are 2. Keep in mind, read formulas. Now, square going from left to right. Square root. A plus 1 by a is equal to square root of 25. A plus 1 by a is equal to plus or minus 5. Now second bit. Just now we got a plus 1 by a is equal to plus or minus 5. They are asking to find the second bit a cube plus 1 by a cube. So what we should do? Cubing on both sides. Now a plus 1 by a whole cube is equal to plus or minus 5 whole cube. Formula you know. A cube plus b cube plus 3ab into a plus b. That is the formula you have to mention here. A cube plus 1 by a whole cube plus 3 into a into 1 by a into a plus 1 by a is equal to plus or minus 125. Already before I told you. Plus into plus into plus only minus into minus plus into minus minus. 5 5s 25. 25 5s 125. Who does not multiply here itself. Now a cube plus 1 by a cube plus a goes in one time. 3 1s are 3, 3 1s are 3. Plus 3 of plus or minus 5 is equal to plus or minus 125. Now here plus is there. From left side take to right side. Plus becomes what? Minus. Minus 3 into plus or minus 5. A cube plus 1 by a cube is equal to plus or minus 125. Minus is there. 3 5 how much? 15. Now a cube plus 1 by a cube is equal to, from 125 subtract 15. Here plus or minus is there, here also plus or minus is there. In between minus is there. So we are going to subtract. 125 minus 15 is 110.